Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be unboxing the Deco E4 Home Wi-Fi Mesh from TPLINK. Okay, so what we have here today is the Deco E4. This one is a home Wi-Fi mesh created by TPLINK. So, kilala naman natin si TPLINK. It's a well-known brand for routers, switches, and for your internet or connectivity hardware. Ever since nagkaroon kami ng internet, ang gamit na naming router is yung kasama sa binigay ni ISP, which is alam naman natin na hindi siya ganun ka-reliable unlike the routers na mabibili natin separately. And right now, dahil work from home tayo and kailangan talaga natin ng stable internet, minsan yung router, sila talaga yung may problema. Akala natin yung mismong internet ng internet service provider is yung may problem. Pero in reality, yung router lang talaga, hindi siya ganun ka-reliable. So, ilang beses na nangyari sa amin na chinek yung connectivity namin, chinek mismo sa internet service provider, okay naman daw, pero intermittent yung connection namin. So, doon pumapasok yung stability ng routers na free from the ISP. That's why napag-decided namin na bumili na lang talaga ng separate router. So, I opted na lang for a home mesh kasi parang sulit na siya for its price kasi pag chinek nyo yung talagang price ng mga mesh, mahal sila. Umaabot siya ng mga 10K. And ito, nasa 5K lang namin nabili during the 11/11 sale. Meron tatlong mesh and you can put it anywhere in your house to spread the signal. So, baka mas makatulong siya if meron kayong mga dead spots sa bahay nyo. Okay, so let's check the box first. In the front, makikita nyo may Deco and nakalagay na whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. So, seamless roaming with parental controls, adaptive path selection, and then sabi dito, it is fast, stable, and everywhere. And then, as you can see, meron siyang nakalagay na Wi-Fi Dead Zone Killer, connects up to 100 devices, easily set up via Deco app, enhanced dual band speeds, and then it covers up to 4,500 square feet. So, ang laki nung coverage niya. And this is ideal for 3 to 4 bedroom houses. And then, yan, makikita nyo meron tatlong Deco. And then, yan, may TP-Link siya nakalagay dito. And then, on the side, meron lang siyang picture ng Deco natin. And then, some specifications. So, yung wireless niya, 300 Mbps. And this is a 2.4 GHz or 867 Mbps on 5 GHz. So, dual band siya. 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz ang supported niya. And then, mesh protocol is 802.11 kVRR. And then, quality of service, access point mode guest network. IPv6 compatible na rin if you'll opt to modify your internet configuration. And then, optional Ethernet backhaul, 2 fast internet ports, port Deco unit, 1 LAN, and auto sensing. So, product dimensions, 7.5 by 3.6 by 3.6 inches. And then it says here, you can install the Deco app. It is available on App Store and Google Play. On the other side, same lang din nung features na nilagay sa harap. And compatible siya with Alexa. I'm not sure if compatible din siya with Google Home. So let's try and find out. On the back, you can see a representation of a house na kung saan mo siya pwedeng ilagay and kung gaano kalaki yung coverage na sakop niya. So, if you have a big house or a big unit, condo unit, this is perfect for your place para mawala na yung mga dead zone or dead spots. Ang isa sa feature na nagustuhan ko, meron siyang seamless roaming with one Wi-Fi name. So, what does it do? So, Deco units work together to form a unified Wi-Fi network with a single network name. So, walk through your home and stay connected with the fastest possible speeds made possible by Deco's seamless coverage and plug-and-play mesh technology. So, yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin na kahit saan ka pumunta, hindi mo na kailangan mag-connect, disconnect. Automatic na siya. Seamless roaming siya. And then, ang good thing dito, meron din parental control. So, if you have kids and you want to supervise your kids' internet connectivity, so you can do that from the app also. adaptive path selection keeps your network running at top speed by automatically choosing the fast connection path. Parang goes hand in hand with seamless roaming. So, meron siyang adaptive path selection wherein pipiliin niya nga kung saan ka mas malapit. So, kung mas malapit ka dito and mas mabilis siya dito, dun siya magko-connect yung device mo. So, no more buffering and simple Wi-Fi control. So, easy to use daw yung Deco app nila. So, let's find out and let's do the unboxing. Okay, so unboxing na natin. So right off the bat, kita man agad yung tatlong mesh natin. So malaki-laki siya. Actually, let's put this on the side first and let's check what's inside the box pa. So for each compartment merong ganito. So I guess this is the power for each mesh. So meron tatlong power. Merong kasama ng Ethernet or RJ45 cable and quick installation guide. So yun lang yung laman ng box. So good thing meron ng kasamang Ethernet cable para hindi ka na mag-provide. And then let's try to open one of the mesh. So, wala naman nakalagay kung sino yung main or kung sino yung hindi. Ikaw na bahala mag-set nun kung ano yung gagawin mong main mesh. So, ito yung mouse ko, MX Master. So, ganito kalaki si mesh. For size comparison lang. This is my phone, Huawei Nova 2i. And ganyan yung size comparison nilang dalawa. For those na gusto nyo malaman yung size nung isang mesh. Okay, so let's check yung itsura ng mismong mesh. So sa likod may nakalagay TP-LINK. And then merong 2 slots for the RJ45. And then sa baba, nandun nakalagay yung kung saan may lalagay yung power supply or yung power cable. And then meron siyang rubber feet. And then yung MAC address and the SSID, then the model number and the serial number of the E4, Deco E4. And then sa harap, obviously, yung logo ni TP-LINK. And then on top, ang ganda nung design, yung logo din to ni TP-LINK. So ayan, umiilaw to pagka nasaksak na. Okay, so first when you open the app, you need to create your TP-LINK ID. So it will need an email ID. And once you have created your account, you need to activate it, of course. And then from there, once activated na yung TP-LINK ID, you need to log in again. Once logged in, just click on Let's Begin to set up the Wi-Fi network. Just click on Go to Settings. Click OK if you're using an Apple device. And then click on the model of your mesh. So in my case, the Deco E4. Then click on Next. So the first mesh that you will be setting up is yung pinaka main mesh or yung connected sa router. So you need the power adapter and the Ethernet cable and the Deco E4. So if ready na siya, just click on Next. And then sabi dito, power off your modem. So actually kahit hindi na kailangan. And then just need to plug in your devices. So connect nyo na si Deco E4 dun sa modem or yung router. So connect via the LAN port. And then also connect the power of the Deco E4. And then once connected na, just click on Next. And then just make sure lang na yung modem or yung router is connected to the internet. And then click on the internet LED is stable. And then from there, just wait for the Deco E4 to set up. And then pag nakita nyo nang nagbiblink yung logo sa top ng Deco E4, just click or tap on the Deco's LED is pulsing blue. So once connected or nag-white na yung color ng ilaw niya, you can connect now using your mobile phone or kung saan naka-install yung Deco app. And then connect on the newly set up Deco router or mesh. And then says here connected to Deco. And then set up nyo na lang kung saan located tong Deco. So in my case, nasa master's bedroom namin siya. And then, just sa default settings lang muna as of now, just to connect it. Once nag-connect na siya, you will create your Wi-Fi network name. So, ito yung naka-broadcast na SSID. So, to, pwede tong kahit ano. Wag lang yung mismong name ng router ng ISP nyo para hindi magkagulo. And then from there, click on next para mag-create na ng Wi-Fi network. And then once created, it will prompt to join the new network. And then just click on join. And then, ayan, nagko-connect na siya. So it says Deco is now online. So this is the setup for the main mesh. There's 2 more Deco and you can add another Deco na nakalagay sa ibang location. So just click on add another Deco. And then from there, it will ask again kung anong klaseng Deco yung nakalagay. So in my case, the Deco E4. Same process kanina, just click on the Deco's LED is pulsing blue pag nagbe-blink na siya ng blue. And then pag nag-blink na siya and maklik nyo na, magko-connect na yung main Deco natin dun sa sineset up na Deco. So once connected, you can customize a place kung saan siya located para for easier tracking. And then from there, you can add another Deco. Actually, 3 lang yung kasama in the box, but you may opt to add more. So pwedeng up to ilang Deco ang magka-connect simultaneously. Okay, so I'll be testing this out in a few days or a few weeks, and then I will make a review if sulit ba si Deco E4 Home Wi-Fi Mesh. Sulit ba siya for its price, and is it good enough as a starter mesh if you plan on making your home Wi-Fi dead spot free? Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.